Let's talk about creating and managing opportunities in the AI empires. Let's go take a look right now. So to access our opportunities in the left tab, we're going to come over and click on opportunities. Now in these opportunities, you can set them up a couple different ways depending on what the function is or what you really need this to accomplish. For example, you can create other pipelines. So there's a sales pipeline of just, hey, when I reach out to somebody, move them here, move them there, right? So it's going to keep track of your outreaches, what you're doing for sales, and you can create onboarding pipelines and other things like that. It is really just a Kanban board where you can drag and drop cards and then create automations to help those opportunities. So for example, let's say Iron Forge Commercial Repair wants to book a repair appointment. They can book it here. When the repair gets finished, they can move it to repair done, and it can automatically text that customer, email them, or give them a phone call and let them know, hey, your truck is done, come pick it up. To create different layouts, or what they call pipelines, you can come up here into pipelines and create a new one, and you can put in how many stages you need, what is this stage, what are we really doing. And on the previous ones, which you'll have snapshots of these as well, but you can add different stages in these opportunity pipelines to really manage whatever part of that business operation you need. And when it gets updated, you can either let people know internally, or you can let your customers know by sending them emails, texts, or their preferred form of conversation. All right. So opportunities is essentially all you need out of a CRM. Like, what do we have going on? What's the next step? Where are we at? Communicate internally, stick and move, okay? Don't overthink CRMs. You don't need a whole bunch of bulky stuff. You just need to know step by step what business you have coming in to either make those predictions going forward for business or really manage your current customers and your sales outreach all from the same place within the AI empires. Get started today, theaiempires.com. The minute you press pay, you're going to receive a welcome email. You can start customizing the platform to your branding. It is white label, but make sure you book a 30-minute onboarding call with me to set up all the optional features, AI, texting, phone. Some you might need and want, the others you might not. That's what that call is about. But get started today at theaiempires.com.